Nandito na kami sa Incheon Airport. So, time check, it is already 5:10. Approaching Budin Velodrome here. K-Men Elite Omnium third event. So, ang third event is elimination race, kagaya kanina sa women. So, ayan, tingnan natin kung sino unang matatanggal. Nandyan yung mga kasama namin sa track camp, ha? Yung Thailand, Pakistan, Iran, yung Malaysia. So, one rider was eliminated. Ang una, buena mano sino yun? Iran? Turkmenistan. Kasama namin sa ano yan, sa track camp, sa camp. So, no. Turkmenistan. Thailand will be the second rider at the last. So, one rider eliminated. So, meron na namang isa. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17, 18 sila lahat, ha. Pero may dalawa nang natanggal. Turkmenistan and Pakistan. So, yung Thailand, tanggal din. Really? One rider after every other lap will be out. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 riders left in the field. So, may tatanggalin na naman isa. Tingnan natin kung sino mukhang 231 daw. Rider number 231 is out. Malaysia. So, sino yan? Malaysia? Oh, nauubos yung WCC contingent. So, Taiwan, no? Nasa harap. Taiwan, Chinese Taipei, tas baka mga Korean teams. So, malakas yung Iran, ha? Yung Iran is good. 172 is out. So, South Korean team. Pero hindi yun yung national team nila. Puro mga regional and club teams lang nila yan. So, yung Iran, malakas, oh. Nasa inner lane. Oops! He is staying at the blue band. So, pwede siyang dyan, ha? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 riders remaining. So, meron pang isang Malaysian na yun, oh. Si rider number 164. Rider number 164 of Malaysia. Oops! Last rider. Oh. Safe yung Malaysia. Baka yung Iran ang tanggal. Tingnan natin. Oops! Nagkakagit-gitan. Oops! Ang umalis is rider number 1. So, Malaysia is at the back. Malaysia is in trouble. So, rematahan. Bakang yung Iran ang matatanggal. I think Iran. Pero hindi natin alam, ha. Kasi hindi tayo nasa side view, eh. Oh, siya nga. Iran nga. Iran will be out. Eliminated. Malaysia is at the back. So, he needs to catch up. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 riders remaining. So, Malaysia is safe. Oops! No, Malaysia is out. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 riders remaining. Chinese Taipei is in the inner lane. Oops! Sino kaya? Yung kulay dark green siguro. So, ayun, tanggal na naman. Nagtatanggal every other lap yan, ha. Every other lap. 2, 4, 6, 8 riders remaining. So, Chinese Taipei is in the inner lane. Oops! Parang yung naka-white headgear na LX. Parang yung naka-LX. LX short. 2, 4, 6, 7 riders remaining. 7 riders remaining. Nandiyan pa yung Chinese Taipei. Chinese Taipei yung naka blue jersey and blue headgear. Oops! So parang tanggal yung naka dark headgear. Yun o siya nga. 2, 4, 6. Binanata ng Taipei. Taipei yung nanalo kanina sa Women Elite. So, kumalas yung isa. Yan ang ma-eliminate. So, 5 riders remaining. Tinuloy ng Chinese Taipei. Nakaagwat si 154. So, pagka ganyan tinutuloy, ano yan ha? Matulin yan. So, Omnium, third event, elimination race. So, next event, kung sakasakali, is point race. Parang yung Taipei pa ma-eliminate ha? Oh! Parang yung Taipei pa ma-eliminate. No, hindi. Yung naka-LX. 4 riders remaining. So, accumulation pag Omnium, accumulation of points sa 4 events. Ang 4 events, first event is scratch race, then tempo, then elimination race, and then the point race, final event. So, yun, tanggal yung Chinese Taipei. Maglalaban-laban, tatlong Korean teams. 161 is out from Chinese Taipei. Sinukli anong nakakulay blue short, naka-red bike. Ayun o, Tinodo. So, ayun, eliminated yung naka-white jersey with dark headgear with blue band. Yun o. 1-on-1 na. Kung sino ang mabibigyan ng maximum points. Maximum points will be the first rider. Yun o. Kinuha yung inner lane ni number 33. Panalo yung kalas yung nakakulay pula. Pulang bike. So, yun. Congrats. Men Elite elimination race for Omnium.